Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this look right here using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. Please click on the subscribe button if you have not subscribed already and hit on the bell button so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. All the products mentioned in this video will be listed in the description box below. Please check it out. Now let's get into the video. I'm going to be starting with the eye makeup first. So for prepping my eyelids, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal to conceal the darkness around my eyes. This step also serves as an eyeshadow base for my eyeshadows to stick on. For blending the concealer, I'm using the Baklava eyeshadow blending brush. This is a synthetic brush which is very good for cream products. Next on, we are going to be setting the concealer using a loose powder, and I'm going to be using a loose powder from CoverFX and setting all the concealer in place so that it doesn't budge or move. Now moving on to the eye makeup, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette today. Starting with the crease, I'm going to be taking the color Blazing and blending it on the crease of my eyelids. This palette is super pigmented, so I'm taking my time in blending the eyeshadow and I'm slowly building the color onto the crease. Next, for my eyelid, I'm going to be using the shade Amethyst, which is a matte violet shade, to serve as a base for the shimmer that is going to be applied on top. Next, for my outer corners, I'm taking the dark brown shade from the same palette and I'm applying it on the outer V of my eyelids. Now I'm blending in the outer corner color with the crease color so that there is no harsh edges on the crease. Next, to define my crease even further, I'm going to be taking the color Saffron with a smaller definer brush and I'm applying it on my crease. To make a smooth gradient of the crease shades, I'm going to be taking the shade Eden and I'm going to be blending away all the edges of the crease color. Now I'm going to be using the shade Twilight with my fingers and applying it on the center of my eyelids so that my eyeshadow pops right away. This shade picks up much better with the finger than using a makeup brush, so I'm applying it with the finger and blending away the edges. Now I'm going to reapply my crease color so that the color doesn't wash away. I'm reapplying the color Twilight with the flat brush so that I could define the lid even better. Now it's time to apply the eyeliner. I'm using the Maybelline Eye Studio Drama Gel Eyeliner with an eyeliner brush and I'm going to be drawing a wing. Moving on to eyebrows, I'm going to be using this product from Maybelline and I'm filling in my eyebrows just on the direction of my hair growth in the eyebrow. I'm also going to be applying a clear mascara to set them in place all day long. Now moving on to the face, I've wiped my under eye using a makeup remover to remove all the fallouts from the eyeshadow, and I'm going to be applying a primer today. The primer I am using now is the Innisfree Blur Primer, which is my favorite, which smoothens my skin really well. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty 4 Filter Foundation today. Like usual, I'm just taking one pump of this foundation as it is a full coverage foundation, and I'm dotting it all over my face and blending it with my foundation brush from Real Techniques. I got this foundation as a birthday gift from my friends, and it was really sweet of them to give me such a beautiful present which I've been waiting for ages to get my hands on. This might appear to be a little lighter for my skin tone, but trust me, it sets over a period of time, maybe for like 15-20 minutes. It sets perfectly onto my skin. Also, don't forget to take the foundation onto your neck as well, so that it looks much more natural than having two different shades on your neck and the face. Next, I'm going to be contouring my face using the M.A.C bronzing powder, and I'm going to be contouring the usual areas, that is the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, my forehead and my nose. For my nose, I'm going to be using a smaller brush to get a precision look. When you're using a heavy coverage foundation, always make sure that you contour your face really well, as that is going to make your features appear sharper, because the foundation is going to make all the features of your face look flat. Next, from the Huda Beauty palette, I'm going to be taking the lighter shimmery shade to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. This makes my eyes stand out and appear much brighter. Next, for my lashes, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This mascara comes in two variants, which is a waterproof and a non-waterproof one. I'm using a waterproof mascara today, but for daily purposes, I would recommend buying a washable one, which is so easy to remove, as it's super hard to remove a waterproof mascara. Next on, for blush, I'm going to be using the blush from Maybelline Fit Me, and I prefer this color because it is much corally and looks much more natural on my skin. Next comes my favorite part, which is the highlighter. I'm going to be using a palette from Smashbox, and I'm going to be using the second shade in the palette, which goes on so well on my skin tone, and I'm using a pack brush to apply my highlighter. I'm gonna be applying the highlighter on the high points of my face, which is my cheekbones, my arch of my eyebrows, on my nose, and the cupid's bow of my lips, and a little on my lips as well. For my lips, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty's Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Trophy Wife. This is such a beautiful nudie pink color and goes very well with my skin tone. And that completes today's look. I hope you guys liked it and found this video informative. Please click on the like button if you have enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!